How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can simply find the nearest desert biome in Minecraft. Now, of course, if you want to go ahead and do this without cheats, you could do this by finding them onto the warm biomes. They frequently spawn next to other hot biomes like badlands and savannas and alongside large ocean. But you want to go ahead and avoid cold biomes. So just go ahead and run along those biomes that I've mentioned, and basically eventually you will go ahead and find a desert biome. But if you want to go ahead and find one immediately, navigate through the game menu, click open LAN, and make sure that the allow commands on is enabled. Clear the start LAN world, and then you want to press T on your keyboard and type the following command: -locate biome space, and it's going to be the desert biome. So it's going to be this one. You could also type desert pyramid if you want to. So let's go ahead and do that one to make things a lot easier. Let's hit on enter. And then from there, you want to press on the coordinates right here, which allows us to teleport onto that specific biome or coordinate. So let's just go ahead and dig up. And now, as you can see, we are now inside a desert biome. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.